The Russian Defense Ministry published footage of the electronic warfare troops perform electronic warfare tasks to suppress enemy forces and weapon control during the special military operation in Ukraine, 4th June 2022. Valentina system blocked the control signal of reconnaissance of Ukraine armed forces in Ukraine and suppresses the cellular communication center and internet sources of enemy command posts. The system worked at a range of more 20 kilometers point by point. That is, the Valentina is able to suppress communication and internet sources at the enemy position without disrupting civilians' infrastructure.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.